heading out to Paxton, Nebraska to go and replace the brake can on the side of Interstate 80. Weather, it's about 47 degrees outside, severe overcast, cold front coming in, supposed to have snow by the end of this weekend. So like I said, today's Saturday, so possibly by Sunday night it's supposed to start snowing, and then snow and rain mix throughout next week, which we do desperately need the moisture around here, so I'm not gonna complain about it too bad, except for the fact I don't like working in the cold, which no one does, but it is what it is. But we're gonna go get this gentleman up and fixed, and hopefully this is all it is, and it's not a another issue where the cam's S-cammed over, or the brakes have acted up, or anything in that nature. But you never know. We'll see what we can get fixed up on the side of the road. Where he's located at, I might just go over there and suck his brakes up real quick, and then send him down the road a little ways, get him off the highway to do the rest of it. Well, we'll find out. But as you can tell by the weather, it is not very nice outside.
Usually a tight one, because that's the one that they pull on a split cut. Okay. Just so that line's going. Once you get the lines up. Okay. Let's go ahead and remove this nut completely out of there.
American 3030. Had to turn around. I got lost. If anyone critiques me for getting lost, this is why. This dirt road looks like every other dirt road. And for landmarks, we had corn. They cut the corn down. We don't have landmarks no more. Well, we got a starter wrestled into that. Oh, she did not like that, did she? Oh, goodness, come on, girl. There we go. Little tiny machine. Replace the starter. The starter he had was a little bit different. We're in a big hurry to get it up and going because he's got hay drivers coming here to pick it up. So there we go. Now, as you can tell, I'm kind of bouncing all over the place because I'm not on a road per se. This is how you mess up service trucks. Okay, well, to the next job.